Do you want to master Roblox scripting in no time? Great, because in this episode we'll cover the fundamentals of basic data types, variables, and printing, the building blocks of Roblox scripting. Let's get started. Do you want to write some text on your screen? That's called printing. It's different from printing on paper. It's just like writing on your computer screen. People use printing for debugging and checking their code. To get started, just create a new script. Default code will be print hello world. Make sure you have the output open, then run your game and you'll see the text hello world. Hello world appear in the output window. You can change hello world to anything you want, like a number or variable, which we'll talk about later. Let's say you want to print the number 3. Just change hello world to 3. If you want your text to stand out in the output, you can use warnings. Warnings are like normal print, but they appear in orange text instead of white or black. To write a warning, just replace print with warn. And finally, there are errors. Errors are a way to stop the script if something goes wrong. They can also be erased by Roblox itself. To erase an error, replace print with error. That's it. Simple, right? Alright, let's dive into some common data types you'll encounter on your scripting journey. We've got nil, boolean, string, and number. Nil is like nothing, it just doesn't exist. You know, just like my social life. Booleans are like light switches. They have 2 possible values, true or false. A string is just a bunch of characters put together, like hello world. And last but not least, we have numbers. It's exactly what it sounds like, it's just a number. It could be a whole number like 3 or 69, nice. Or even a decimal like 1.91. Possibilities are endless. Let's create a game where players collect coins. Each time they pick up a coin, we need to increase the number of coins they have. How do we do this in code? Enter variables. Variables are like containers that hold your data. They can hold anything, including numbers and strings. Each variable has a name and a value. The name is how you refer to the variable in your script, and the value is what the container holds. To create a variable for the number of coins, we type local coins is equal to 0. The word local is used to indicate that the variable is local to this script. The name coins can be changed to almost anything, as long as it starts with a letter or an underscore and only contains letters, numbers, or underscores. The value of the variable can be set to anything. For example, if we want to create a variable for the player's name, we would type local name is equal to Bala. Every time the player picks up a coin, we need to update the number of coins they have. This is where arithmetic comes in. To add 1 to the number of coins, we write coins is equal to coins plus 1. This means the new value of coins will be the old value of coins plus 1. There are different operators available for arithmetic, such as plus for addition, minus for subtraction, slash for division, asterisk for multiplication, and percent for modulo. You can also use shorthand operators like coins plus equal to 1 instead of coins is equal to coins plus 1. This works for all arithmetic operators. If you want to double the number of coins, you can write coins times equal to 2. If the player dies, you can set the number of coins back to 0 by writing coins is equal to 0. It's that simple. Let's use all the things we learned about variables and math to create a script for a coin grabbing game. We'll start by creating 2 variables, coins and name. The first one, coins, will be set to 0, and the second one, name, will be set to Bala. To check how many coins Bala has, we can use string interpolation. This is when we use a backtick on both sides of the text and put the variables inside curly brackets. To check Bala's coins, we'd type print name has coins. This would print out Bala 0 coins. When Bala picks up a coin, we need to increase the coins variable by 1. To do this, remember, we type coins plus equal to 1. Now if we run the print again, it will say Bala has 1 coin. Let's say Bala picks up a booster that triples his coins. We can simulate this by typing coins times equal to 3. Now when we run the print, it says Bala has 3 coins. Sadly, Bala dies, and we need to reset his coins to 0. We can do this by typing coins is equal to 0. Rest in peace, Bala.
Hi, I'm Bala, and I was used to represent the player throughout the video. Sadly, this video has come to an end. I hope you've learned something new about variables and printing. Next up, we dive into the exciting world of conditionals, if statements, and loops. What would you like to see a tutorial on in the future? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you found this episode helpful or entertaining, please leave a like. Until next time, happy coding!